Good afternoon and welcome to the Earnings Corner. Burberry, the luxury retail giant, reported a 17% rise in retail revenue. The company reached $694 million in the last 6 months, ending in September, and total revenue rose to $1.03 billion. Their online sales continue to grow and outperform in all regions, whilst outside clothing and leather goods were part of half of mainstream sales. In the last 6 months, they have launched their first ever direct fragrance for men and are continuing to see growth for their beauty section, with a high single-digit percentage increase expected in the next 6 months. The retail sector, however, remains very difficult as consumers are having to deal with tight budgets. This has resulted in Burberry posting wholesale revenues 7% down to £244 million. This figure excludes their beauty range. Looking to the future, they have opened 2 stores in China, 1 in Brazil, 1 in India and 1 in Mexico, where Burberry see these areas in particular as potential growth markets. At the time of this announcement, CEO Angela Ahrendts revealed that she'll be leaving Burberry and be joining Apple. Now, Ahrendts has been with Burberry since 2006, and the transformation of the company into a globally recognised firm has been firmly credited to her. She is due to join Apple next spring, and at this point, Christopher Bailey will take on the role of CEO. Sir John Pearce, the Burberry chairman, tried all he could to prevent Ahrendts from leaving. However, she was determined to tackle the role and join one of the biggest firms on the planet. At the point of the announcement, the share price dropped 7.6%, wiping nearly $500 million off the company's market value, and since Monday they have now dropped over 10%. Despite the recent loss of their CEO, I like the company as a whole. They are posting positive results in what are difficult marketing conditions. They are increasing their exposure into emerging markets and increasing the beauty range, which is proving to be very popular. The fact the share price has dropped off over 10% this week signals to me this may be a good time to buy them. Thanks for listening.